Ladies and gentlemen, I hope we are all doing well. I would like us today to learn something about information literacy. And what we are going to discuss today will be the definition of information literacy. And in the definition of information literacy, we define it as a set of skills that helps you recognize when you need information. Or in other words, this is what we can use during our search for information. The skills we can acquire and the skills that can help us during the search for information. So we talk about also the importance of information literacy in the digital age. We have the the importance. It cuts through noise and spots fake news. It also helps us in making better decisions. It also helps us to participate fully in certain things. It also helps us to stay safe and ethical. We also have the information life cycle. In the information life cycle, number one, we have plan or define. This is how we can plan for how we can look for the information. We create the information we need to look for or capture. After looking for, we store and secure the information. We use, share, and apply the information we have looked for. We maintain the information. We retain and archive. We dispose or we destroy the information. That is the life cycle of the information. We also have the information sources, and in the information sources we have primary information and primary information sources, and in the primary information sources we define it the first-hand information or the original evidence that we have. And the example of the primary information, we have diary, letters, and speeches, among others. We also have secondary information, and under secondary information we have we can define it as the second-hand accounts that analyzes, interpret, restate the primary information. And the example, we have textbook and documentaries. Still, under information sources, we have and secondary information sources. So we have also scholarly sources. This is a source written by experts for other scholars, students. And example, we have university press book. We also have popular sources, and these popular sources written by journalists or general writers for a broad, non-specialized audience. Example, we have overview and public context, among others. We are also going to talk about the information format types. And the format types of information, we have the e-book and the book. So this one, it gives us in-depth coverage. Print or electronic, can be scholar or popular. We have periodicals published regularly. Under the periodical, these are the information types published regularly. We also have under the periodical, we have scholarly stroke professional magazines. We have popular magazines, and we also have newspapers. All these are under periodical information format types. We have reference work, and in reference work we talked about encyclopedias, dictionaries, and handbooks. We also have grey literature, and in the grey literature we have reports, theses, dissertations, conference proceeding. We also have digital stroke online website, stroke online, and in those we talk about websites. We have blogs, social media, and posts. So under information format type also we have data and archivals. This is data sets, spreadsheets, raw sensor data, and archival manuscript. So briefly, this is what we can learn for the introduction into information literacy. Thank you so much. We catch again in the next session.